All cultures around the world are constantly changing. Sometimes this change comes very slowly, at other times change happens suddenly. Change can occur in both material and non-material culture, and the change in one area of life normally means that other areas will change too. The first process of change is cultural leveling, the development of economic and social relationships that stretch across the world, and the quickening rate of diffusion have brought about a situation that is called cultural leveling. This is a process in which all cultures become more and more alike. Examples of cultural leveling is McDonald's that has nearly 33,000 branches in over 100 countries, while Starbucks has more than 24,000 coffee houses in some 70 countries. Other American enterprises such as Pizza Hut and Burger King also have a world presence. A New York Yankees cap seems to be a must-have fashion item for many young people. Some sociologists suggest that cultural leveling is the first step towards a development of one global culture.
Secondly, process change. Sociologist William Ogburn noted that not all culture traits change at the same rate. Some traits change rapidly. Ogburn observed while the transformation of others may take considerable time, material culture tends to change more readily than non-material culture. Ogburn referred to the time between changes when ideas and beliefs are adapting to new material conditions as culture lag. Two other ways through which change take place are discovery and invention. Discovery occurs when people recognize new uses for existing elements in the world or begin to understand them in new ways. Invention occurs when people use existing knowledge to create something that did not previously exist. Discovery often leads to inventions. For example, scientists discovered nuclear fission in 1934. By 1951, a nuclear reactor that generated electricity had been invented.
Third is cultural diffusion. The most common way that change takes place is through a process called cultural diffusion. This involves the spreading of cultural traits, ideas and beliefs, as well as material objects from one society to another. The most contact a society has with other societies, the more cultural trait it will borrow. Today will mass transformation and instant communication through the media, the telephone and the internet. Cultural diffusion sometimes takes place almost instantly.